Okay, students, in yesterday's class, we started to discuss about the DML command. Okay, that is how to add a column to the existing table and how to delete, how to add a record and how to delete a record or how to drop the column from the existing table. These commands we have seen in the previous class. At the end of the class, we have discussed, and today we are going to see. We have seen the modifying the column and the changing the column name also we have discussed. Today we will discuss with one example. Okay. So how to modify the column? That is how modifying the column definitions. Okay. For example, we can some restrictions also there that we have discussed twice in the previous classes. That what is the meaning? We have to change the data type from one data type to another data type. Some many restrictions are there. That is integer means we can convert from tiny int or small into int or big int, not an issue. Okay. For the big int to tiny int, it is not possible. Big int to small int, it is not possible. That is not recommended. Okay. So based on the values which we have fed in this field, that is also one consideration. Okay. Then varchar to integer, it is not possible. Integer to varchar also, it is not possible. So then what are the modification we can do, sir, by using this command? If you are asking means, for example, tiny int or small int to integer or big int, we can do the conversion. Okay. Likewise, varchar to character or character to varchar, that modification we can do. Or else size we can change it. For example, varchar of 30 instead of I need 40. Okay, we can increase. As it is increasing, there is no problem. Suppose we are decreasing it, decreasing means it will be a problem. Okay, so it is recommended always to increase the values. Okay, so what is the syntax to modifying the data type? That is data definitions. If you want to modify means, what is the command means? You can see alter table name, modify, there's a keyword, alter table name, modify column name and its data type. Okay, existing column name. Okay, for your understanding, alter table name, modify existing column name, because existing column only we can do the modification. No, so that's what existing column name, then data type. Okay, the which data type? New data type. Okay, so varchar, previously varchar of 30 it was there, now I want to change into 40 means also we can do the modification. Okay, this is the way we have to modify a column. Let me see one example also how to modify it. 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. As you seeing the screen, the screen is
Yes, sir.
visible to you now. Yeah, fine. So let
Yes,
me
yes, yes.
use our database. I think our database is NCRT, no? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so use NCRT. I want to show the tables. What are the tables we want to find? So these are all the tables. Okay, employee is one of the prominent table. We will see it. Let me see the data type. I mean, data which we stored in the employee, or else loop one we will use it. Select all from EMP
MP
DUP1.
DUP1. Sir,
Sir,
DUP.
DUP, sir.
Yes. Okay. DUP1. So only one data is there.
yes, sir. So,
Employee.
so we
Let
can
me.
try 3
Sir, ஆமா
EMP2.
சார் செல்வராம் delete பண்ணிட்டோம் சார்.
Yes. There also only one data. Okay, we are discussing about the column, no? So let me do it. For example, DESC describe the table. Okay, first we want to know the description about the table. Okay, so employee we will give it. Okay, so you can see employee ID tiny int is there. That is four character, and employee varchar is there. And suppose we want to change the data type also. How to do it? Let me see it. Okay, so what is the command or what is the query we have discussed? Syntax to update it, to modify it. Let you see, alter table name, modify the existing column name and new data type. There is new data type. This is very important. Okay, let me do in these things. What is the thing? Alter table.
Alter table,
So alter table. What is the table name?
employee,
Employee.
employee,
Employee is the table name.
modify,
Modify.
modify,
That is the thing. Modify.
EMP
Modify
name,
column name. Suppose EMP
employee
name.
name,
Okay. Employee name.
uh,
It was 20 is there. Suppose we
varchar,
want to modify into 30 means we can do it. Okay. Varchar.
yes sir,
30.
Varchar of,
sir, varchar,
suppose 40 if you, so
40,
30 if you give means 20 is there. No. Let me update into 30.
yes
Okay.
sir,
So if
okay
you
sir.
yes, yes. Yeah. we can do like that. Now if you describe the employee means, now you can see
Describe
the data type has changed. Previously you can see employee
Yes,
number
sir.
varchar of 20 it was there. Now in this updated one, employee number varchar is equal to 30. The value has changed. Have you understand this?
Sir, can we modify it for primary key, sir?
Primary key, of course we can do the modification, but what is the thing, what is the difficulty means, I already said from the lower value to higher value we can go, but higher value to lower value it is different, difficult. Okay, some
Okay,
problems
sir.
will arise. Okay, let me do this one as you asked. Okay, so what is the command?
Alter table employees,
Alter table, we will use it.
employee,
Alter table employee, modify let me do the
modify
emp id,
emp id,
EMPD, then data type is new data type. I'm just using int.
int.
Okay, isn't it?
Yes, yes, sir.
The tiny int, sir.
Yeah, tiny int it was there. Now suppose we are changing into integer means. Okay, of course it is
Okay.
changed. Have you understand that? So now you can see
Oh, okay, sir.
previously integer employee ID was tiny int 4 digit. Now integer it is 11 digit up to 11 digit data we can store. Why I am saying means from the higher order to lower order if you are changing means, suppose one of the data having the higher order, suppose I am giving the integer, one of the data I entered 9 digit number. Okay, so suppose I want to change into tiny int means, or small int means, tiny int 4, small int means 6 digit, whether it is possible to convert the 9 digit into 4 digit or 6 digit. No. So that time the clashes will happen, the data we might lose it. Okay, or else the data will be incomplete. Okay, so that's what always recommended value is, lower value to higher value it is always recommended. That is tiny int is 4, tiny into small int we can convert, or small into integer we can convert, or integer to big int we can convert. Okay, but suppose the already data was in the integer type, shall I change into tiny int, sir? But we want to refer all the data. If all the data are, for example, tiny int 4 digit only, all the data are 2 digit only, 3 digit, we have to forecast about that. In after that, in future, suppose we are adding a more employee, 3 digit employee, afterwards our employees is goes then more than 1,000 members are working in our institution means, then that time problem will arise. Okay, so always recommended give the proper data type. Okay, suppose it very necessary means, then only you have to go for the data definition changes. Okay, because I'm again I am saying that the database change is very important and very necessary whenever it is, because if you do a small change means it will affect the entire database. You are playing with the database. That is also you just keep in your mind. Why I am saying means, in Python, suppose I added one extra code. Okay, then the program will not work. Okay, so due to the error or due to some other thing, the concept will be lost. But what is the thing? If you remove the line means, then the program will work. No, the which point is, I mean, which part is giving the difficulty means, if you remove that means what will happen? The Python program will work. Suppose in SQL, especially in the database, if you do some changes afterwards, we cannot retrieve it. That's what I'm saying. Have you got it? Hello. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
are just doing for the trial basis. Okay, but in our project, if you are doing means whatever you typed, you may lose that. Okay, so while you are doing with the database, you should be careful. Suppose you are a database administrator for one company. Okay, you are doing, if you are about to do some small changes in the database. Okay, you should be very thorough. For 10 times you have to think the query will properly works, what are the effects will come, like this you have to analyze. Okay, because if you once you small changes, if it is there means, it will crash the entire database also for the entire company. See how much data we will lose. No, have we got it or not? So the database changes over the database, we
Yes,
have
sir.
to very much think and we have to do. Okay, that is very important. Okay, please note down this points in the. Okay, now you have seen how to change the data definition, that is a field definition. Data definition or field definition. Definition means data type of the each field, how we can change it, that we have seen. Okay, let me go to the next one. Yeah, that is the next concept is the column name. How to change the column name, sir? But by using the change keyword. Let me use, we'll show this thing. You can see this. This also we have discussed in the last part of the class. Anyhow, we will discuss it. Okay. So how to change the column name? This is the syntax. You can see alter table name change. Change is a keyword. Okay. Alter table name change old column name or else existing column name. Instead of old, we will use the word existing. Okay. Existing column name or existing field name space new column name or new field name. Okay, new name and its data type and its data type. The data type should be same. Okay, the data type is changed. So for example, you can see name, e name of instead of varchar, suppose you are giving integer means definitely will be a big problem. Data will be get clashes. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Okay, so very much that's what I previously explained. While you are doing a small changes also, you have to think over it. Okay, that is very important. Let you see discuss about the syntax. Alter table, table name, change existing field name, space new field name with its data type, with the same data type. Okay, we cannot change the data type. How to change the data type? Just now we have discussed by using the modify keyword. But here we are about to use change keyword. Have you got it? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yeah. Shall we do in the practical manner? Yes. 1 minute. I will show the database. You can see this. This is the data type. Suppose EMP name is there, no? Suppose let me change into the E name. Okay. So what is the syntax? Can you say the syntax?
Alter table employee
Alter table name. That is employee.
is employee. Change
Change.
e name. Sorry,
That is
EMP
existing
name.
name. What is the existing name? EMP name is the existing name.
EMP
What is the
name.
new name? E name. Okay.
E name.
New name is what is the already existing data type? Varchar
Varchar 30.
of 30. Oh, very good.
30.
So likewise, we have to give. Now you can see this. I'm just
சார் நம்ம சேஞ்சுக்கு பதிலா அப்டேட் மாடிஃபைடு போட முடியாது
no.
சார்.
Modify is different. Change is different. Update is different. Entire thing. That was your last question also. Update means instead of one value, we are giving another value. Okay. Modifying means part only we are doing the modification. But change means completely we are replacing the things. Have you understand it?
ஓ ஓகே
For example,
ஓகே சார்.
modifying a home is different. Building a home is different. You are building a home means now only you started to construct. Sir, I am doing some alteration in my home. Sir, I am doing some modification in my home means already home is there, but you are doing some alteration. You are just changing the room or size of the room, whatever it may be. Have you understand the meaning of the word modify? Modify means a thing is there, we are modifying it. Okay, that is
சார் அல்ட்ரேட் பண்றதா சார்?
alterate is different, man. That's what I'm saying. I'm set one example regarding with the home, but you don't take that entire example for the things. Now you can see this. What is the query? Alter table. We are making the alteration in which we are doing. We are changing the name. That is the keyword. You can see alter table, table name. We are doing the changes. What changes? Already one change is there. That is e name is sorry. Before what was the thing? EMP name was there. Now we made the change. Instead of EMP name, we need to change the column name will be what? E name. Okay. So we changed it as the same data type, which we used for EMP name data type. We have to give the same data type. Okay. So that is the thing. Have you understand? EMP name, you can see this literally the changes has happened. Previously it was EMP name. Now it is what? E name. Have you got it?
எஸ் சார் காட் இட்.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Good. What are the things? Satish has joined late and Sriraman also has joined late, I think so. Bharat, what happened to Bharat? Why you didn't attend the past classes? I think you are not regular to the class. What is the reason? What was the reason you didn't attend? Bharat. Hasin, you have to concentrate on class. Kribanandam, now only you joined. Past 1 week, I think so, you didn't attend. You are showing one day, you are showing your head, and afterwards you are not. I spoke to very clearly. Okay, rest of things yours. Naveen also has, I think he has joined late, I think so. Okay, please be on time. You joined at right time, no? At what time? Isn't it? Okay, let me check it. Okay. So be exactly 2 o'clock. Our class means exactly join in 2 o'clock. Today 1 minute late was happened due to some network issue. That is not network issue. I just due to some connectivity issue. But what is the thing? 2 o'clock anyhow the class has posted. Okay. So I'm just always giving the 5 minutes time. 2 to 5. Whatever have started, I will give 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes is more than enough. Just 1 minute is required to join it. Okay, 1 minute more or less not an issue, but moreover, many people have joined late. Avoid that. Okay, don't say try to say any story that will not be worked out. Please, you are 12th standard. You are not 11th standard student. You are not a 9th standard student. You are in the last year of the school. So moreover, you are going to face the board exam. Okay, so that's what. Please be properly attend the class. I think now somebody has joined. Isn't it? Somebody? I don't know who's that.
Sir Ashwin.
Ashwin. I think he has joined
Yes, sir.
already. I think so. In between he left. Huh?
Yes, sir. Maybe some network issues, so he joined again.
Okay, okay. Okay, students. I hope you understand the how to change the column name and how to rename the data type. That is data definition as well as the column name. Also, I hope you may got the point. I think so. Shall we go to the next one? Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So you can see this, that is order of the column. Okay, how to change the order of the column. So for example, you can see this example is very beautiful. You can see EMP name, E name, salary, department. Sir, I want the department name to be the first order, sir. Permanently, I want to change it. Okay, viewing, we have seen which column name we mentioned. For example, select. I will show that. I will show to you the example. Suppose this is the thing, no? Suppose I want to, I will just use it. Select all from employee. Okay. So now in this case, you can see it will show all the details. Employee ID, e-name, department, salary, city. Okay. Sir, I want only city to become as first, sir. And reverse order I want to print or whatever order means you can give select. Okay. Department, comma, and next city, then comma, then e-name, comma, then EMP ID, comma, what are the things? And salary, no? Salary. Okay. From, what is the thing? Table name, employee. Okay. If you give like that means, oh, what is the reason? Unknown column EMID. See, some mistakes. EMP ID.
Sir, EMPID.
Hmm. EMP ID. Okay, now it will be correct. I think so. Let you see. So it will show the view for viewing purpose. It will change it. How I asked, you can see department to be first. So that's what you can see. This I'm highlighting in the yellow color. You can see. So department to be first. It is showing the department. Next city. Next name. Then ID. Then salary. So it is for viewing purpose. So you want to make changes on over the table itself, sir. How to do means that we are going to see. You can see this. What is the how to change permanently the data the field type, field thing to be the first or to be last or whatever thing. How to do, let you see. You can see alter table name, modify. Okay, alter table name, modify. Then which we need to modify. For example, I want to modify the department name, sir. I mean department number field, sir. Then department number, int means what is the thing, data type. Okay, that is the data type, because in department number integer, no, so that's what department number int. Then first is a command, that is first is a command. So where it should be displayed. Okay, first means you can see permanently hereafter department number be the first column or first field. Have you got it? Have you got it? Once
Yes,
again,
sir.
I'm saying you alter table name, modify field name and its data type. Field name and its data type where it want to display. First means first. Okay. For example, the department number here it is last.
Okay.
Suppose EMP name want to be first means EMP name varchar of 40 first. We have to give like that. Okay. This is one method. Okay. Second thing, sir, instead of first and second, I want to move, sir. For example, 10 columns are there, sir. You can see in this. Oh, I cannot able to. You can see this yellow color. I'm highlighting here in this side. The right hand side corner, you can see this. I'm
Yes,
clicking
yes.
Yes,
the
sir.
cursor. You can see alter table name. That is EMP is a table name. Modify department number. That is department number is
Yes.
what? It is a field name. Okay. Int is what? It's a
Yes, sir.
field, that is data type. Okay,
It's
department number, that is field name and its data type. After e name, after e name means what is thing, first e name will be it will come, then next is what,
then
number will
department
become.
number will
Okay,
come.
after first means we have to use the first keyword. Okay, sir, suppose after means, suppose e-name want to display after salary, then we have to give what? Alter table. Have you got my point?
Yes,
Salary
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yeah, salary is one field. No, you can see this salary is there. You want to display after what is the thing? You can see the changed one. Department number. Take the second table. Department number is the first one, first field. EMP number is second field. E-name is third field. Salary is fourth field. Suppose you want to display the salary will be the second column means. Okay, second field itself salary want to display, sir. How to do? Let I will say alter table name, then field name. Salary is the field name. What is the data type? Integer, it's data type. Okay, that is field name and its data type. After department number, if you give after department number means next to the department number salary will be moved, that field will be moved. Have you got it? Have you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Understood,
once
sir.
again I'm saying alter table name, modify. Okay, that is very important. Alter table name, modify field name, that's it with the data type where it want to. First means first, or else after something means after that field name. Okay, let me do in the practical. Okay, suppose you can see I'm again describing the table. Describe employee. You can see whether it has changed. First we are viewing purpose is different. Okay, viewing purpose department is come. Actually, what is the existing thing? Employee ID is the first. No, suppose I want city to be next to the department. Shall we move the city to the next to department? Shall we do? What is the query? You can see
Yes,
this
sir.
alter table name, modify
Alter table name, modify
field name with
field name,
data type
data
and
type
where
after.
after whatever the field name. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let you see. Let you type the code. Can you say the query?
Sir, alter
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 table
table. What is the
table
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 name?
name,
Employee
employee
is the table name.
employee,
Alter table
modify
name.
modify
Modify
city,
modify. That is field name. City
city
is the field name.
sir.
Okay. What is the data type of city?
City
Where care
worker,
of
sir. So
varchar
worker
care
of
of
40.
20. Okay. 20 man.
Okay,
is
sir. Yes, sir.
20
So
after
and then where it want to
after
be. So after
After e name.
depart
department. Okay, after department, suppose it want to display means now you can see the query will be get. Okay, now again I am displaying the table. You can see this, the city is changed. Previously the city column is
yes sir
there, it was last, now it is what?
last
After the department, as we given after
yes sir
department. Have you got it? So now if you are
yes
Yes,
sir
see the table means select all from EMP, it will be display as per the new description. New description is what? City is moves to the previous one next to the department. Have you got it? So it will make the permanent change. Have you got it? What is the view is different, permanent change is different. That's what I'm coming to tell. Have you got this point? Viewing is
yes,
different,
yes
sir.
sir
changing the permanent, the column, what's the thing? The column order is, if you want to change permanently means we have to use this query. What is the query? Alter table name, modify, and what is the field name and its data type. Then where means it is first means first, or else after department, after any whatever field name. Okay, that we have to mention based on the table. Have you got this point?
Got it, sir.
Yeah, good, good. What about remaining students? Selva Kumar and Chandru only answering as usual. Remaining students and all be quiet. I didn't get anybody's voice. Hmm? Have you all understand this? Have you all understood?
yes
I didn't get the voice. Okay. Anyhow, if you have doubt means please ask. Don't be quiet. I think you are. If you are looking quiet means by seeing you, I can understand you are doing some other job. uh, uh, Instead of listening the class, see, listening the class is not one of your tasks. Okay, you are not watching the IPL cricket, so that you will lose, you will give up all the work and you will sit in the front of the TV. You won't you no need anything, then you will do it. But it is not the type of thing. Listening class full-fledgedly, you have to concentrate on that what I am teaching it. Especially keep your mobiles in the landscape mode and see in the full screen, you can get the concept. Okay, so that is very important. You have to do, man. Okay, or else you won't get that. That's what I'm coming to tell. Okay, you won't get it again. Even though you are seeing the video, that is second case. If you have doubt, I am not sure about that. You are not viewing the videos, but it is up to you. But what is the thing? Whenever the class is very lively, if it is going, if you are interacting, means it will be fine. Sir, once again, if you want to some other examples, means you may ask it. Okay, latter part you cannot ask. No, that's what. You have to practice it. That is very important. Install the SQL in your system. Okay, definitely you should buy a system. Is it possible? Means it is fine. Anyhow, you need it. So you may think that sir, 12th is about to complete, sir. Why we no like that? Definitely, you are going to go for college, no? It may be a whatever type of course you are
Yes,
going to choose, whichever course it may, you are purely going to take medicine or engineering or whatever field, definitely you need a laptop. Okay, so in this education things, not about the pandemic, I'm not saying for that. In college they will give the assignments, they will give whatever things also. Okay, so for that definitely you need a system, or else you always want to depend on somebody else. You want to go to the nowadays browsing centers also not there, because everybody having phone, everybody having systems. Okay, definitely buy a system as soon as possible and install the software, start to work it. Don't always depend on school lab will be open, that time we will go and do it, means it is, I don't know what is going to happen. Even though the school is properly running also, I'm saying in the normal academic year also, it is not enough, the time is not enough for the practice, because the period is given less for us. I have to use for teaching, that is very important, and I have to give only one period for the lab. So in the one period 40 minutes, how much time it is, you just taking 5 minutes to on and to off it, 30 minutes you have to type. In 30 minutes also, how much data you will type it? It is very difficult. Okay, so definitely you need a
yes, sir.
system, go for it. It's not forcing, I'm just saying for your future also. Okay, future definitely you need. Instead of if you buy now, means it will be easy for you to score more marks in all the subjects, not only computer. You can download many materials in your lab and you can start to see that. Okay, many videos you can download it. Okay, so education videos, a number of things are there, especially computer. You can practice the programs and download the ebooks, all the materials are available, you can refer it. For the purpose I'm saying. Okay students, let me go to the next
Yes, sir.
point. Yeah, okay, let me go to the next one, adding constraint. Okay, for example, if your table is there, it's not there, if you want to add means, okay, we already set the primary constraint. So suppose if you want to add any constraint, means we can add it. Okay, you can see alter table. What is the syntax means? You can see alter table, table name, add constraint name, and constraint name of field name. That is the thing. Okay, suppose alter table, table name, primary key is a constraint. Okay, and we are suppose we want to set the primary key. Here in this example, it's very clearly given emp number. There is no primary key in this table. Okay, now after that query has executed, you can see primary keys has arrived. Have you got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
how to set the primary key also, you will learn it. Okay, you see this, you can start to write in your note, alter table, table name, add constraint. Of which field we need to apply the constraint? Employee name. Emp name is the constraint, sorry, emp name is the field. For that field we need to apply the primary key. Okay, that is the meaning of it. Have you got it? For example, default constraint, if you want to apply, means default and value, and off we need to give the what is the thing? Field name, which field we want to apply it. I always recommending thing, one starting of the time of creation of table itself, you just describe the primary keys, constraints, columns. Okay, everything you do in the time of starting creation of the table. While you are creating first time the table, that time itself you just add it. Okay, after that it is not possible, sir. You are seeing possibilities are there, you are literally seeing it. But what is the thing? If the tables has grow more, the data are records are growing more, we are inserting more records. After a certain time, if you add anything, means it will be a problem for us, it will be another work for us. Have you seen, for example, last time 4 names are there, we add a city, isn't it? So we have to update each value. Raj is come from Silvaram come from Virudhachalam, Krishna Prasad came from coming from Neighbor. Likewise we added no 2 fields, sorry, 2 records. Okay, suppose if it is 200 records, means every time there is no other go also, we cannot give just like that, we cannot give individual. Mean what is the thing, uh, person may come from whatever towns also or villages also, we need to update, no? So that's what I'm saying. the table creation time itself, we want to do all those things. DML, how much we are able to reduce means that will be better for the database. This is one of the practical knowledge about the database administrator, that is you. Okay, so once you are maintaining the database means you have to well plan the how many fields we need, what is the data type of each fields, okay, what is the default value, what is the default constraint, which should be the primary key. Okay, likewise you have to check with all the constraints, all the things. Okay, then you have to start to create the table, and you have to start to insert the insert the records. Okay, at least after before insertion the record, if you done the changes means it will be very quite fine, it will be better, I am saying. Okay, so it is a recommended way which I am going to say. Have you got my point why I am saying like that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so once you inserted means you want to update each value, or if you want to do whatever updation, it will be trouble for us. It's a repeat works again we have to do for all the columns. 200 records are there, it's very difficult. No, that's what I hope you would understand my point, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Fine.
Yes, understood, sir.
So this is the way. Of course, here we are seeing that how to add a constraint after the table has created. Okay, you can see alter. This is the syntax: alter table name, add constraint name of field name. Of means the bracket I'm meaning. Okay, I'm saying it. Okay, so how to add the primary key? Likewise, we can add the constraints also, but based on the values. Suppose check constraints we are giving. Okay, already the table has created, we enter the data means some problem will come. Default value we want to give, some problem will arise, we don't know. Okay, based on the data, based on the table, it is depends. Okay, so that's what always recommended previous itself we have to create it. Okay, now we need to see that we are going to see the check constraint. Okay, let me see the check constraint, how to use the check constraint. Two constraints we completed, primary constraint or primary key we completed, default constraint we completed. Unique means again it's not a primary key, but data will be taken as a unique value. Let me do the unique as well as the primary key, check constraint. Okay, let me do it. So let me create a new table. Shall we do it? Create table.
Yes, sir.
Table name just we are giving. Can you say another one? Student record, STU record I'm just giving. Okay.
Yes,
We are
sir.
so far we discussed only employee, no? Okay, let me do the students regarding. Okay, so student record is a table name and field we have to mention. Okay, for example, roll number I'm just giving. Roll number, it should be integer, and it is a primary key means here itself we have to mention it. Okay, primary
Yes, sir.
key. Okay, and next one I'm just giving name. Okay, or else exam number I'm just giving. Okay, exam number. We should not use space. That is very you have to note down. Underscore you can use. Exam underscore no. Okay, exam space no, don't give it. Space will create a problem. Okay, exam number, that is a integer data type also, and it should be unique constraint. Okay, all the exam number want to be unique means we have to give unique. Okay, unique is a one of the constraint. No, okay, this is a unique constraint. And a name I'm just giving varchar.
Sir, comma I have mixed.
Sir, comma police, sir. Unique.
Good. Comma name no. Okay, name
Yes, sir.
varchar.
Varchar.
So comma ரொம்ப கேப் இருக்கு sir.
Okay, not an issue. It will accept, I think so. Okay, then two commas is there. Okay, then what is the thing? Roll number, exam number, name. For example,
Class.
this is okay, class we given default value. I'm just suppose I'm giving means. Okay, you can see default class is data type we need to mention. For example, I'm
Yes,
giving a
varchar.
Okay, varchar of just 5. Okay, 3 I'm just giving. Okay, hey, class only, man, that much digit, 2 digit
Yes.
only, no. Also, oh, varchar,
Okay, sir.
even though okay, even the Roman letter if we give means, okay, let me give 4. 3 12th means x double 1, no, double I, no. Okay, let me
Yes, sir.
give 4. 1 extra if we give means not an issue. Okay, varchar and default value. Okay, default value should be not assigned. This is the normally what will come if you didn't give that we have seen, no, how to What is the last thing we have seen?
Sir, this only, sir.
Dropping the column.
We are creating a table, sir, actually. No, sir. We are actually creating a table.
For what purpose? I think I forgot the purpose. Okay, default value. Okay, for example, not assigned we given.
Not assigned.
What purpose we have created the table? We are going to create the table.
Sir, for applying that primary key, all those things.
No,
Changing.
we are about to discuss about the unique key as well as check constraint. See, I forgot it. You people
Yes,
are
sir.
not doing that. Okay. For example, I'm just giving it 1 minute. Varchar giving default. If the line is exist means you can exceeding our screen means you can give enter. Okay. So default, what is the value we have to come not assign? Okay, in the double quote or single quote we have to do, especially we have to use double quote means it will be fine. Not assign.
Sir, actually, sir,
Yes, please.
it will become error, sir.
Why?
That prompt have come like this.
No, it won't show any error. I think so. Let me check it. Okay. For example,
Okay,
then I will just give it. Okay. For example, fee. Okay. Fee is one column. Integer is the data type,
sir, come
and
on.
we are. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Sir, in
Comma
front
is
of fee, comma should come.
comma. Yes. Yes. Okay. Comma fee and the integer data type it will be. And what is the data type we mentioned? We are going to apply the check constraint. Okay. Check. Okay. Then check what is the thing greater than, suppose we have
Sir,
to,
check
we should,
spelling.
oh yeah, sorry, check is there, and we have to set the limit. For example, minimum fee amount is 10,000 means, okay, greater than or equal to 10,000 we have to give. Okay, then what is the constraint means? This column, which column? Fee is one column. No, the fee column only accept 10,000 and above. If you try to if you try to insert the value less than 10,000 means it won't accept it. Okay, that I will show the example also. First we will create the table. Okay, so we are applying the primary key unique value. You can see this unique we applied, and check constraints, default constraints. Okay, altogether we just given it. Okay, not null also same thing. Okay, which the value should not be null. For example, for I will give it here itself. I will give for name it should not be null. Name value we must give. No, that's what. Oh, we give the enter. Okay, okay, not an issue.
Yes, sir, that is what.
Okay, now you can just see that. Oh, why
Yes,
nearest?
sir.
What is the error? We forgot to give the field we given. No. Okay. Okay. Anyhow, we will try it again. Again, we have to type 1 minute. Default. Now we will apply the. Oh, now we will apply the for name not null constraint. Okay, 1 minute. I will just update it.
Okay, sir.
Not null. Okay. Sorry.
Sir, spelling.
Yes. Not no. Okay. Not null. This is one of the constraint. No. So we have given that, and the class varchar of, again we are typing it. Okay. 1 minute. I will complete it. Okay. Varchar of what we given 4. Okay. Class we given as a character. Then what other thing?
Default,
Not as
not
a, yeah,
assigned.
default. Yes, default. What is the default value? I'll just avoid it. Default.
Sir, again you have given enter.
I think it will execute. I think so. Okay, default we just given not assigned. Not assigned is the default value instead of null. Okay, so we given
Yes, sir.
another one is another field. Okay, check field we will check it. Okay, 1 minute. Suppose P is the column. I mean, column means let me check it. P. Okay, I will do the check constraint later. Okay, first I will complete this. I have doubt as you saying no. Okay,
Sir.
class.
Sir, yes, sir. Worker we given only 4 characters, no, sir. So not assigned,
Okay.
it may
Yes.
exceed.
I think now we are having many problem. Okay. Let me do one by one. That will be fine. I think so. Okay. You people
Okay.
also don't get confused. Let me see one by one. First, we will primary key. That is. I hope you understand. Exam
Yes,
number
sir.
unique is one constraint. What is the? I will explain here itself. What is the use of unique constraint means? It will not accept the second same number. If you are same value you are about to enter into the column means into the field
Will
means
show error.
it will not accept. It will show the error because the field name it will mention the key is duplicate. Likewise, it will show because that is the use of unique constraint. Okay, and not null means the value should not be null. Okay, we can give unique value. For example, name is there. First name is Raj. Second, another person also coming with the same name. His name also Raj. Okay,
That's
we
it.
can give the two same value. But what is the thing? What is the only one constraint? The name we should not leave as empty. We should give some names. Okay, it will accept some name. Okay, that is the use of not null. Okay, and next one is default value. I have shown already to you. Okay, the default value country we given no country we have seen India is the
Yes, sir.
default value. Okay, like that we
Yes,
have
sir.
you because of backer 4 it may not accept. That may be the reason. Let me see it. Okay, 1 minute. My voice is audible to you
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
because here
Clear only.
heavy rain. That's what I'm talking very louder. Even I didn't get my voice. That's what I'm asking.
Oh.
Okay, okay. 1 minute.
Here it is clear, sir. Here now it is cloudy, sir. It may rain
Oh,
after
okay, okay.
20 or 30 minutes.
It is here thunder and more rainy. Okay, let me see it. Okay, first we will create the table. Again, we have
Meaning,
to type. No? Yes, please. Yes.
சார் அந்த கம்மா நீங்க கேப் விட்டதுனாலே ஒரு வேளை ஆயிடுச்சோ சார்?
Oh, not like that. No, no, no. Just we will type it. Not an issue. I will just show to you. Okay. For example, varchar default. What is the thing? Default. What is the value we given? Varchar
Not the
instead
same.
of I'm just giving 10
Yes, sir.
Let me check it. Okay, not an issue. I will give enter. Let me check it. It is means we will avoid it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, default value we have to mention. For example, instead of
Not
null,
assigned.
not assigned. For example, not given. Okay, whether it is comes 10 digit no.
Okay.
Okay, one, two,
Yes,
three,
sir. It
five.
will come.
Yeah.
Only
Let
8.
me check it.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is the thing means. Now the query is okay. Have you got it fast? Okay, let
Oh,
me
okay,
show
sir.
the
Okay, sir.
table. So now we have to insert the record into it. Students, listen again. We have to
Yes.
insert. I will again describe the table because it may be a little bit confusing. Okay, describe what is the table name? Student record.
Student record. STU record.
STU rec.
STU or EC.
You can see roll number, exam number, name, class. Okay. So primary key, you can see this unique key. It is coming no constraint. It is a unique key. Exam number
Yes,
is
sir.
unique key
Yes,
and
sir.
name you can see the description
Indicate.
name.
Yes.
Null value is there means
Null.
no
It is not
because it
given.
should not be null. Why? We given the constraint not null. Have you seen this? I'm highlighting not
Not
null.
null.
We
Yes,
are
sir.
saying that's what it is not null. As you see in first roll number also null is no because it is a primary key. Isn't it? Primary key should not be null. This is one of the rule. No, that's what you can see the class. Class suppose null is means
Yes,
of course we can leave as a null value, but default value will be what?
sir.
Not given is a default
It,
value. I mean that
not
sentence, that word will be occupy if you didn't give the value means. Have you got it?
given.
I think I am
Okay,
speaking
sir.
louder. I know that
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
here too
Yes, sir.
rainy.
I
No,
I
sir.
see.
cannot.
You're not so
Yeah.
louder.
Oh, okay, okay, fine. If it is I'm too louder means you speak because my voice I cannot able to hear my voice itself. That's what. Okay, okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Now if you
சார்
want to
அப்பயே சார் மழை பெய்யுது.
yes, yes, yeah. Now we will see
Oh my
the
god.
how.
சார் இங்க பங்குனி வெயில் பட்ட பிடிக்குது சார்.
Okay, let me. Yeah, okay, okay. So let
ஆ.
me insert the data. Insert into say that
That
insert into
into
STU
STU rec.
record. Yeah, STU record. Sorry.
STU rec
Yeah, STU record and values of.
value.
So what is the
Value of
primary key? We need to give one.
1,
Okay, so I mean primary key we have to give roll number. I'm just giving.
comma,
It is also integer. I'm giving 100.
001.
Okay, and
Okay,
exam
sir.
number is there, and name is there. It is not null, no.
Name.
So we have to give some value. I'm
Yes, sir.
giving
Spring.
again Raj. I'm just giving, and class is I have to give something. Okay, for example, 12th I'm giving. This is a data type
Work.
thing, no? So 12th I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
giving. Okay, this is one record I'm inserting. Okay, what is the error? What is the error? You got it?
Sir, you
Sir, T we have not did in insert.
insert,
T.
sir.
Insert
T.
at last.
Oh, spelling mistake. Okay, okay. Insert. Yes, yes. Insert. Now you can see this. Yeah, good. So the query is okay. Now again, if I suppose to insert another value, I will show another one record to you. Insert into
T.
Yes, sir.
record. Okay. Suppose we are giving the specifying the value. Okay, I am going to give the record names I'm mentioning. Okay, roll number, exam number, and then these things is unique, no, and the name is not null. It should not be not null. Definitely I have to give. Okay,
Yes.
so I have to type name also. Okay, then the class is optional. Okay, the class, if I didn't give, means what value will be taken? Not given, the value
Not
will be
given.
taken. Okay, now
Not
I'm
given.
giving values of, now I'm going to insert the value. Okay, values of roll number is 2, exam number is 101, and exam what is the thing, name. Okay, name is, I'm just giving Vignesh. Okay, suppose I'm just inserting this record. Okay, now we will see this. Okay, better I will type it.
Sir,
Select, yes please, from STU record.
from STUREC.
Yes. Okay. Now you can see first record we inserted properly, 12th we inserted, the class 12th is taken. For Vignesh, we didn't insert the value, the default constraint will be taken. What is the default constraint we given? Not given is a value we assign. No, that's what it is taken.
Not
Okay.
given.
Suppose if I want to avoid the name, means it will not. Okay, have you understand? Because name is not null, we
Yes,
cannot
sir.
skip it. Okay. Once again, we will discuss this table in tomorrow class also. So far we completed primary constraint, unique constraint, not null constraint, default constraint. Isn't it? We completed 4 things. Okay. Then primary
Yes, sir.
for each
Yes, sir.
key is
Yes, sir.
pending, check constraint is pending. Okay. The 2 things we will discuss along with this thing also. Remaining constraint also we will discuss in the tomorrow class. Okay, students. Very nice time with you. Thank you to all.
Okay,
Thank you
sir.
to all.